Okay, hopefully I'm not gonna take too long with this video, right? So let me just get right to it. We're gonna, okay, the first thing you do, when you, and I'm going to do it for you to see, you just type in forms for Google, right? You just type in forms and this may come up, right? Once you see the docs.google.com/forms, I mean, it comes up like that for me, but let's say it doesn't come up for you, right? You can write Google Forms, right? And you just press enter, right? You can select this one, right? It says free online surveys for personal use, right? Click that one. Wait, okay, good. Yeah, anyway, just go to personal. Yeah, there's no reason to go to business because you're not pay for it, right? So let's just click on go to Google Forms, right? And here we are, back where we were in the beginning, right? Now we're going to start a brand new form, so we're just going to make it blank. I mean, contact information and all them something. These things, this is for a wedding, this is for a party, and this is for if you're running a business. We're not doing any of those, so we're just going to click on blank. All right, so the first thing you notice is that you can, put in your questions and so on. There are different types of things you can put in. So for instance, if you say, for instance, which of the following represents your favorite brand of smartphone, right? Just as an argument, right? Well, I could use multiple choice. I could also use check boxes, right? No, okay. Let me write this. You can name it anything you want, but I'm just doing it like this, let me just write example, whatever, right? Yeah, so you can do that. Let me see what else. Oh, and of course, if you want the untitled form to have a name, what you do is you copy it and you go here. Oh well, you don't even have to. You just click up here and then it just copy it for you. Alright, there you go. There you go. Alright. Now, oh, wait. Oh, okay. So if you notice, this is to import questions from another, but you don't need that. Add title and description, you don't need that because we did that already. This is to add an image. You can insert a picture if you want to. That's always optional. Video, nah, you probably don't need that because that gonna take up all day. You don't need all of that, right? So the most important thing is really this one, add question. So when you want to add more questions, you just click on that. You click on that. I'm going to click on this a number of times. What is this? Yeah, I just want more questions. Just give me more of them. Just give me more. I don't care. Just give me more. Yeah. Alright. Now let's go. Right. So, yeah. This is how you would add the rest of the questions. And you can, so for example, which of them represent your favorite brand? So you can write, really? That, what's the other one? That, and maybe I don't want to do this, but let me just add that. Yeah, so okay, just so that you can actually preview. Where is that actually? Hold on. Oh, thank God. All right, so because I maximize my screen, you have to click on the three dots to to actually see the preview. So when you click on preview now, it will show you what your questionnaire is going to look like to people, right? So there you go. That's what your question is going to look like. So when they, oh, and another thing, if you want to force them to answer the question, right? What you do is you go down here and you click on this thing. Switch it from off to on. So that way, you know, when you're here and they try to move past the question now, I mean, well, it probably didn't get reflected just now. So let me just, yeah, reload. Oh. Right, so they say it's required now. So if you do this, and then you try to submit, right, it brings you back to here and it says this is a required question, right? So that's how you kind of force people to answer the question that you want them to answer, right? So they have to select one answer from all of these, right? So, you know, all right, we're not fully done with all of this yet. So let me just check the time. It's what, 6 minutes already? Ridiculous. All right, so I'm just going to make this part 1 and then we'll continue in part 2.